Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to do a quick and dirty review of this portable head unit by Volam. We have the head unit itself, and it does have a front dash camera as well, right here, so that's good to see, as well as a few mounting points, which I do like a lot. I have not seen a head unit that has multiple mounting points. It has an SD card already in it to record all the footage that it will gather, and it is 64 gigabytes. We have a suction cup mount, the rear dash cam or backup camera. It does the rear backup camera that also records whenever the unit's plugged in, the power outlet, and the dash mount. This bag also has an aux cord. So I will be using the suction cup, using the lower holes. All you gotta do is slide up until you hear the clicking noise. Plug this into your cigarette lighter 12-volt plug-in. It has a USB plug, which I love to see, so it's not taking up a whole charging port. Okay, let's see how fast it boots up. Nice. We have the power to turn off the screen, just press it again to turn it back on. We have the brightness, which you can adjust to the brightest, and the dimmest, put it right down the middle. We have the DVR, which currently is recording the front, and the camera looks pretty good. Just go ahead and plug in the back camera. I will not be permanently installing this backup camera into the head unit, but I will have a video link down below on how to do that. But all you have to do is plug this red wire into the reverse tail light. So let me take off this piece of plastic right here. And this is the quality of the rear camera, and I think it looks pretty good. I like it. And the front camera quality is actually pretty dang impressive. And to swap pages, all you need to do is swipe. You see just me, swipe again. You'll see the front camera, swipe again. You see both the front and back. You can lock the footage, as in save the footage that I just recorded. You can take a screenshot, you can go home. You can connect to your phone and turn on and off the mic. Personally, for me, having a front and back camera is a necessity in today's society because there's so many people. I just watched a video today of someone brake checking someone else trying to get that insurance. So having a dash camera will save you from all these different scandals and scams. Okay, so we can now go home. We have volume, we can turn it up and down. We have settings. It's going to stop recording whenever you go into settings. You have general, camera, and system. If you hear this noise, I'm tired of that noise, but it has different wallpapers actually to that one. And we do that by going to system, tip sound, and it's turn that sucker off. Now it's quiet. You have different camera selections. You have recorded resolution. We're currently at 2.5K. You go up to 4K. From on top left, we can go home and go to all the different settings. We have Apple Carplay, Android Auto, Airplay, Android Cast, audio output, and playback. Playback is where we're going to see the recordings. So on video, we can press this one, and that was pretty quick. A lot of units. Most units I could scrub through here, but I cannot scrub through here on this unit for whatever reason. That's fine. I do have an iPhone, so we'll be connecting to Apple Carplay right here. We need to go on our phone and go to settings and connect to this on Bluetooth. And from here, we can do Android Auto, Airplay, or Android Cast. But let's do the Bluetooth first. There you go, nice and fast and simple and easy. You have the standard Apple CarPlay front page. I'm not gonna show you the other page because, you know, that's where I lived. And this all looks pretty fantastic. We can change the wallpaper right here. And I want to do something kind of cool. Let's do blue, I like blue. Yeah, let's set that. For now, let's go home and go on audio output because it has further different audio outputs. We have the inbuilt speaker, we have Bluetooth audio, which will always be the highest quality, FM and aux. Let's do the built-in speaker and see what that sounds like. It sounds pretty adequate, to be honest. Audio output, now let's do FM transmission. To do FM transmission, we want to go to a fuzzy radio station. And the station that we're on is 97.1, so let's go ahead. The fuzzies went away, super easy. I'm gonna do the same thing. CarPlay, now playing. Let's go ahead and play that song. Dang, okay, I hear ya. The FM transmission sounds fantastic, I'm not gonna lie. Now with a lot of these head units, the aux input doesn't work the best. It's either like clicking or, you know, the quality isn't 100%. And sometimes the FM transmission actually sounds better. So let's see how this aux setup sounds. I have high hopes. So far, this head unit has been impressing me. Okay, just like all the other head units I've reviewed, the aux does have a tapping noise. So the quality sounds actually really good when the music is playing, and that washes out so you don't hear it. It might just be like different types of head units cause this tapping noises. But in general, I mean, this particular head unit does not have Bluetooth audio. So I will not be able to test the Bluetooth audio for y'all in this video. If you do have Bluetooth, just connect the unit through here on Bluetooth. All you have to do is go home, press audio output, Bluetooth, press confirm, and it'll disconnect Apple Carplay's audio, where now you can connect to this unit through the stock unit, and you can hear the audio through the stock unit, but also see the visuals on this unit. And that would be the highest quality audio no matter what. So using FM transmission, we're going to call my wife. We're going to now test that phone call on FM transmission. Hey, how's the audio quality?
Good.
Good as in like fantastic?
It's not, but it's clear.
Better than most?
Yeah, better than most.
So the audio quality actually sounded good on her end and my end. She said it was almost iPhone quality, which is what I'd expect. So that is a win. Now let's do one more test and check out the screen mirroring. And with every portable head unit I've dealt with, you have to physically disconnect the Apple CarPlay from Bluetooth. You have to forget Apple CarPlay. So I'm gonna forget this device, forget it. We're now not on Apple CarPlay. We can now go on CarPlay and go on Airplay, confirmed. Now let's connect to, we need to connect this via Wi-Fi and use that password that's right there. It'll be a CarPlay or Airplay. Slide down your phone, press this button, screen mirroring, press smart screen. So it says unable to connect to smart screen. I've had this issue in the past. All you have to do is restart your phone. It has to be an Apple issue. Maybe their update just has a small bug, but it's not the head unit's fault. Let's try that again. Let's go to screen mirroring, smart screen. That was a very fast connection. So first of all, this screen mirroring has a couple of issues. One issue is that they just don't connect, and that is a rare occasion, but sometimes they don't, but it connected as you can see. Another issue is that the quality on here isn't, super high quality. However, this quality is fantastic. I'll show you in a second. And the final issue, which we will test right now, is that the audio is delayed to the video. This is a non-intrusive portable head unit. I can keep on going on about it. So the audio is delayed very slightly. It's actually not that bad, but it is, noticeable. Not as bad as other head units. This is probably the best delay I've ever had on a head unit. However, it is slightly delayed. So if you're buying this portable head unit just for the Apple Airplay, then it's probably not the best bet. I don't see many use case scenarios for using Airplay, and I never use Airplay. If you want to check out this head unit, I'll have it linked down below for your convenience. There you have it. This is Chris. Always appreciate and respect one another. I'll see you next time.